How to understand credit report on Mint. First of all, log into your Mint account and go to the credit score section. Here you will see a snapshot of your current credit score along with a summary of factors affecting it. Mint pulls this information directly from credit bureaus, so it's reliable and updated regularly. Next, focus on the key sections of your credit report that Mint highlights. These usually include your credit accounts, payment history, credit inquiries, and public records. Each section gives you important details about how lenders view your credit worthiness. Look closely at your credit accounts to see the types of credit you have, like credit cards, loans, or mortgages, along with your balances and payment status. This helps you understand if any accounts are overdue or maxed out, which can lower your score. Then, check your payment history because it shows whether you have made payments on time. Later, missed payments can significantly hurt your credit score, so Mint makes this easy to spot. Also, review the list of recent credit inquiries. These are checks made by lenders when you apply for new credit. Too many inquiries in a short time can be a red flag, so it's good to monitor them. Finally, if Mint shows any public records like bankruptcies or liens, these have a strong impact on your credit and require immediate attention. By regularly checking these areas in Mint, you can get a clear picture of your credit health and take steps to improve it if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to understand credit report on Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.